Hello everyone, my name is Priya Shukla. I work as NetSuite Functional Consultant at Bista Solutions. In this video, we will be talking about a product lifecycle, bin management and shipping in NetSuite. Let us see how parts purchased will be a component of an assembly item which will be eventually sold off. First, we need to create the inventory and assembly item records in NetSuite. Inventory item is basically the raw material that is used to manufacture the assembly item. An assembly item is made of several components but identified as a single item. Work orders are entered to track the production of assembly items needed either to stock or to fill open orders. Once the work order is entered and we have its component items available to manufacture the assembly item is built using the assembly build transaction. Else, we will first have to enter the purchase order, receive the inventory, and then build the assembly. Once an assembly item is built, it is processed like an individual inventory item for tracking the cost of goods sold. You can also unbuild the assemblies to increase the inventory of your raw materials. For each assembly build you record, the assembly item stock level increases and the member item's individual stock level decreases. Now, this manufactured assembly item can be eventually shipped to a customer against an open sales order. The item fulfillment is done in 3 stages: pick, pack and ship. Managing inventory in warehouse plays a crucial role for industrial manufacturers. Tracking items by bin can help organize receiving items and simplify picking items to fulfill orders. For example, if you use bins when you receive a purchase order, the order can tell you which bin to put the items away in. Then your stock level for that item in that bin is tracked. There are two features in NetSuite for bin management and advanced bin management. Bin management is a basic means of tracking inventory in bins. It requires that you associate the items with bins before you can use bins on transaction. This feature does not allow using bins with serialized at lot numbered items. Advanced bin management. It is an enhanced version of tracking bins, including both serial numbered and lot numbered items. Using this feature, you are not required to pre-associate bins with items to use bins on transactions. Also, you are allowed to associate bins with serialized and lot numbered items. Lot numbered items can be used. Say for example, a food distributor can track goods by assigning a lot number and expiration date to a group of perishable products. Lot numbered items track the quantity of items and the specific cost for each lot as products are purchased and sold. Serializing inventory enables you to choose a specific serial numbered item to fulfill or receive an order. You can access the history of any serialized item to track the cost of the item or check its status. Shipping items describe how to ship an item and can include shipping rate information, handling rates, rules for shipping and handling, and specify when shipping is free. In advanced shipping, your shipping department fulfills part or all of an order when it is ready to ship. Then, your accounting department creates an invoice or cash sale for the shipped items and rendered services. With advanced shipping, you can track partial shipments and invoice customers for partial or entire orders. Your picking tickets reflect the items on the order that are actually shipped. The multiple shipping route feature in NetSuite lets you ship to several addresses and use different shipping methods on the same transaction. A shipping route is defined as a unique combination of shipping address, shipping method, and origin address. Thank you everyone. We hope this video was helpful. For more information and support, please visit our website.